Alright, what we got going on here today, this is the old windshield wiper motor. It stopped working completely. So we get ready to unbox the new one. Okay, so it comes with the wire harness already on it. Everything is right here, as you can see. So basically all we're gonna do, it takes one bolt in the center there. Along with that, it has 3 surrounding bolts. So I don't know if it came with new bolts or not. Yeah, it actually did. Okay, here's the new bolts. So we're gonna try to see can we get this thing back together. Actually just put one of these on this year, so I don't know why it went out so fast, but it is what it is. I think what I have to do is put all these other bolts on first. Once I put them on first, it'll be good to go. So main thing is these bolts started. All them started, and I'm gonna try to get these tightened up. Appreciate y'all for checking in with your boy T.O. on the TNT Logging Show. And to make $500 for just put me on the land on it. If it's a real nice tractor timber, you might time this time 2, it might time 3, it might go on and on. And I'm able to get it closed on. I ain't gotta buy a tractor timber for you, but you stand to make $500 cash, just put me on the land on it. What we need you all to do is start hitting the bushes and help TNT Logging find some hardwood timber. My preference is white oak, red oak, the whole miscellaneous family, cypress, we need it. If you have any questions, give me a call. 601-339-1652. Gotta get it, let's go, baby. Ain't no better motivation than cash money just making a phone call. Got a heck of a storm, came about 60 miles from my shop here in Elvis last night. I think it's about 16,000 people out of lights, the news said last night. So I pray everybody is doing well. Pray everybody made through the storm. I heard there was a lot of trees there and everything, so I didn't hear anything about anybody getting hurt. So it's always a good thing. We can always replace things, but we can't replace people. tighten up our surrounding bolts. It's in a very tight spot. The only thing about mechanic work, a lot of time, you very seldom see something that's gonna be a breeze. I think when they put these things together, they laughing at us. They said they're gonna make it hard for us to go behind them and do any work. Putting the second bolt in here right now. It's taking so many turns, feel like it ain't done nothing. But it's going. Just gotta be patient. I tell you one thing, 35 years old, my joints and stuff just ain't the same. Lord have mercy. I tell you, boy, it's rough, y'all gotta pray for me. It ain't the same. So we about to put the last bolt on here, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna try to see if this is gonna solve our problem. Turn them on, so turn this. Let's see if they working or not. I got a socket. Need him to turn it just a little bit to get my socket up out of there. Turn it out. Turn it up. Turn the what's my off. I ain't got it plugged up. Hold on, let's see here. I ain't got it plugged up, y'all. Y'all pray for me now. Hello? You can bring it to me. I'm at the class. Turn on. Now let's see. All right. There you go. All right, let's see here. Hold on, one more second. Oh, you can get my socket. There you go. Well, that sums up for TNT Logging Show. We got the wiper motor on. He back in business. And he can haul wood safely. The rain come. And we can keep on. We can keep on. But look here, Volvo, if one of y'all watching this video, I just bought a motor here, so if y'all want to send me some motors, I sure would appreciate it. But nevertheless, hashtag gotta get it. Just got through putting a wiper motor on a 2011 Volvo. Hashtag gotta get it. Let's go.